Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video. Today I create this water wake effect in UE5 Niagara. You can see this character is interacting with the water and we have this, the foam on the water layer. So this is a trick that you can use here, and this is just for the planar surface for right now. See, this particle just on a planar, but maybe in future I can make one more version of this video, so we have the distorted layer of water and then these particles just like floating on that. So let's start this tutorial, and if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. If you like this video, like, share and comment. So I can move this. Okay, see, when the hand comes down in the water, particles start emitting from there. Cool. So let's start this. So let's say you have a new folder. I'll put the main file for download. You can check. And I have this test folder. And in this test folder, I create one more level and just open this. So we have this black background. And then we can use the fog and make it gray. Okay. So you have this gray. And then we can take a planar here. And this is on 0, red, red. Okay. Or maybe just 2020. And then you have a transparent material. I'll show you my original planar material. So I'm not creating that again. I'm just making a very uh, flat material, very simple. So I'll just take a maybe slightly bluish color and then transparency, maybe 0.5. I'll just save this and just drag that material on that. So we have the surface. Okay, I'll show you my original surface, so don't worry.